The fascinating, and indeed extraordinary history of Italian cuisine has ancient roots. On closer inspection, it reflects the country's most intimate history that finds its essence and rediscovers its unity in the lively mosaic of different traditions. For those living on the peninsula, cooking represents a strongly identifying factor, a real value. Indeed, in Italy, food is not only prepared and eaten, but shared, toasted and celebrated. After all, the most vivid image, the most representative symbol of the Italian spirit abroad is food. One of the primary areas in which the world looks towards our country with admiration. Food, first and foremost, and perhaps even more so than our monuments, landscapes, art or music. Italian food words have spread and are used globally, making us feel at home all over the world. The words cappuccino and espresso, as well as lasagna, cannelloni, pesto, rucola, salame and mortadella all gaze at us from signs and shop windows. Tiramisu and carpaccio have triumphantly entered all languages. Both Western and Eastern, and spaghetti has been welcomed by over 50. Italian cuisine has conquered the world, and the number of traveling food words increases all the time, albeit with frequent modifications and distortions. Thus the names of products of excellence, such as mozzarella, Parmigiano Reggiano, olive oil and balsamic vinegar have been accepted by other languages. This is a large-scale phenomenon and one which has peaked today but has its origins in times long gone. In Spanish, the word macarrones, an adapted form of macaroni, was already being used in 1517, and a little later in French, too, with the word macarons. Other words are lasagna and vermicelli, documented in English between the 16th and 17th centuries together with antipasto and polenta. Since the very beginning, we have both given and welcomed words in a continuous exchange with foreign languages, a clear sign of creativity, innovation and imagination. Those writing about cooking have been well aware of the good fortune of the Italian language of food around the world. Since the 19th century, the most alert and sensitive to linguistics, such as Pellegrino Artusi, have taken on an attitude of moderate, balanced, skillful openness towards foreign food words in the Italian lexicon, by not renouncing to words like canapes and champagne, sandwiches and vol au vents.
Sandwich o ai vol au vent. Non si può, infine, dimenticare un altro.
Lastly, we must mention a historical Italianism, currently the most widespread Italian word and most photographed dish in the world today on social networks: pizza. A word of ancient and still undefined origin. For a long time pizza was considered a dialectal term in Italy. In Alfredo Panzini's 1905 Dizionario Moderno the definition reads, vulgar name of a very popular Neapolitan dish. The modern definition of pizza was recorded in foreign dictionaries as of the beginning of the 19th century, and appears to have become popular abroad before doing so in Italy. This is yet another demonstration of the creative and driving force of our cuisine and language. And it is right we are proud of it.